Sam Kemble for Workforce Delivery Inc. This is a notice from April 18th, 2018. CLAC alternative to traditional building trade union work plans. Are you bidding against a building trade industrial contractor in Western Canada? We can help. We've supported front-end engineering and design, construction, maintenance and shutdown work since the year 2000. We know precisely how to position the labor component to come out on top. Our firm is specifically looking to support non-building trade union work scopes in Alberta and British Columbia in construction, maintenance, shutdown, or pipeline work. We develop the plan and source the right industrial talent for your work sites. Check us out and give us a call at 780-886-1679 if you'd like to discuss how we might help assist your project and/or bid. Yours truly, and thank you for your time.